Are you looking for the best garage door insulation kits tested? In this video we will look at some of the best garage door insulation kits tested on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. The Reach Barrier 3009 is ideal for helping to keep a garage warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It uses reflective aluminum on the front and back, with a laminated bubble layer sandwiched between the layers to create an effective boundary between the garage and the fluctuating temperature outdoors. The kit comes with 8 pre-cut panels that measure 4 by 2 feet, a size suitable for most standard single-car garage doors. This kit also makes installation easy. All that's required is to clean the door, attach the adhesive squares, and stick the panels in place. During testing, we found that the Reach Barrier was as easy to install as claimed. Simply place a few of the adhesive squares along the perimeter of each section and press the insulation into place. We noticed an immediate decline in the sound transfer through the door, and the temperature measurements on the insulated side were higher than on the uninsulated side. Our only complaint was that the 4-foot strips were not long enough for our 9-foot test door, which would mean we'd either have to live with bare spots or patch them with scrap cutoffs. Number 2. US Energy Products Double Bubble Reflective Foil. Reduce the heating bill and save money with this affordable double bubble reflective foil insulation. It has an R value of 4, and according to the manufacturer, it reflects 97% of radiant heat. The insulation comes in a 4 by 10 foot roll that cuts easily to the proper size with a utility knife or scissors. This garage door insulation kit features 2 layers of polyethylene air bubbles to help reduce the transmission of heat through the air layer. This is sandwiched between a reflective film of aluminum polyester designed to reflect radiant heat away from the garage door and back into the open garage space. The insulation is lightweight yet durable enough to be installed with tacks, staples, or nails if necessary. Testing the product was rather tricky. First, this isn't a garage door-specific kit, so we needed to cut the sheet into strips. Even then, we didn't have enough to cover an entire door. We needed to use our own double-sided tape to hang it as well, but because it's so lightweight, it really wasn't an issue. However, we did find that double bubble reflective foil insulation did a good job of keeping out unwanted noise, and it measured warmer than the uninsulated door, at least in the areas we were able to install it. The doubled layers were thicker than the other radiant barriers as well. Number 3. US Energy Products Nasatec Garage Door Insulation. For garages with 2 doors, a standard garage door insulation kit won't provide the necessary amount of insulation. This Nasatec 2-car garage door insulation kit comes with 4 rolls of 2 by 18 foot foam core insulation. This kit also includes a utility knife to cut the insulation to the right size, a squeegee to help prepare the garage door for installation, and heavy-duty double-sided tape used to attach the insulation. The premium-priced reflective white foam core has an R value of 8, which can reduce the temperature inside the garage by 30 degrees in hot summer weather. Installing the insulation is simple using the double-sided tape, though the kit also comes with an instruction booklet to follow. In regard to installation gear and instructions, this kit was by far the most complete and best quality. It came with plenty of tape, a few razor knives, and squeegees for ensuring the tape and the insulation were attached correctly. Also, the rolls came in 9-foot lengths as opposed to the 18-foot lengths described, so they were very easy to work with. Like the other barriers, it did a good job of blocking sound, and the insulated door measured warmer than the uninsulated door. If there's a complaint, it would be that the ends of the strips weren't cut squarely, which made the installation look a little sloppy. Number 4. MWS Nasatec 1-car Garage Door Insulation Foam Kit. Garage owners who'd prefer to use a lightweight insulation with a reflective barrier should check out the Nasatec Garage Door Insulation Foam Kit. This radiant barrier kit features a layer of foam sandwiched between a white layer and a reflective layer, offering a clean look with the benefit of a radiant surface. The kit comes as a set of 8 pre-cut panels for 9-foot doors. It also comes with the double-sided tape required for hanging it, which is quite easy. During the test, this kit also proved to be effective at keeping noise, as well as the cold air, at bay while working in the garage. The kit was very easy to install, and the double-sided tape was effective enough to hold this lightweight foam up through multiple up and down cycles with the garage door. We liked that there were two options for the surface. The directions even state that there is no right side, since we weren't really into the white. Number 5. Matador SGDIK001 Garage Door Insulation. Anyone who wants to insulate a garage door but is uncomfortable using adhesives or fasteners should check out this simple-to-install garage door insulation kit. The kit comes with 8 polystyrene laminate panels that can be cut to the perfect size for any garage door panels. Each piece of polystyrene laminate measures 20.25 by 54 by 1.25 inches and has an R value of 4.8. With this insulation kit, tape, glue, pins, or any other adhesives or fasteners aren't necessary. After cutting everything to size, carefully slot them in between the horizontal and vertical rails on the garage door. The insulation also has a bright white and easily washable surface to keep the garage looking great. In full disclosure, these panels didn't work with our garage door since we didn't have the rails to slide them between. However, since they're lightweight, we were able to tape them in place with the extra adhesive and tape from the other kits. Once we did, we were very impressed with the noise reduction and temperature difference between doors. The foam is thick and dense, but it's easy enough to cut, though it does make a mess for custom-fitted panels.